Painted buntings are sexually dimorphic, meaning males and females have different plumage. Males are multicolored with bright and vibrant colors, while females are more plain but still colorful. Male painted buntings will typically have a blue head with red eye ring, red from throat to belly, and greenish-yellow upper back. They look like a vibrant watercolor painting. Meanwhile, adolescent birds and females are a uniform greenish-yellow which can range from somewhat dull to rather bright. Females and young painted buntings can also be distinguished by the pale circle around their eyes. Painted buntings prefer scrub marsh habitats. These habitats are what many might consider looking unkempt or unruly. In other words, they prefer wild spaces. It's easiest to find them in areas with trees, scattered shrubs, and wheat patches.